Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain nulled WordPress themes. These are essentially pirated versions of premium themes distributed without the developer's permission. While they might seem like a free shortcut, using them carries significant risks for your website's security and performance. Understanding these dangers is crucial before considering such options. We'll delve into why they are problematic and what safer alternatives exist for building your site. Using nulled themes exposes your website to numerous serious risks. Your site could easily become infected with malware, potentially leading to data theft or even complete defacement. Furthermore, hidden spam links often injected into these themes can severely damage your search engine optimization. Without official updates, your site remains vulnerable to the latest exploits, putting your valuable data and your visitors' information at significant risk. Beyond the technical risks, using nulled themes presents significant legal and ethical concerns. It directly violates the intellectual property rights of the theme developers, potentially leading to legal action, including substantial fines or even the forced takedown of your website. This practice also harms the dedicated developers who pour countless hours into creating quality products, ultimately undermining the entire WordPress ecosystem and discouraging future innovation. Fortunately, many secure and ethical alternatives exist for building your WordPress site. You can explore thousands of free themes from the official WordPress.org directory, all regularly vetted for security. Investing in legitimate premium themes from reputable marketplaces or directly from developers ensures you receive full support and updates. Alternatively, combine a free base theme with a powerful page builder plugin for extensive customization without the risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.